ET here, coming at you with the pre-market prep. So let's get to it. A little Monday prep on a Sunday. Right now, SPY is sitting around 598. We'll check everything as we go along and see how that pans out levels-wise. If you're not trading futes or the overnight session, nothing really matters too much. It's where we open in comparison to everything else. We'll jump in and take a look now. First, taking a look at our daily customer sentiment, which got a little bit more bearish on Friday. And our whale targets are at 605, 602, and 590. So a little bit of a range there, about a 590 to 605. Not too bad of a range currently. Let's see if that changes throughout the week. Jumping into our dark pools, a bunch of prints at 603.7. So keep an eye there. Mark that on your chart as an important point of price contention as you go along. And our largest DAG is around 589. So no shocker, that matches somewhat up with our 590 bottom whale target. So the further we get away from it, the longer we spend there, more likely we are to visit around that level. That makes a lot of sense. 590, let's check our gamma and see where we are for the week. And we'll look at our ag to start. So 597, 598, 599, this positive gamma cluster on the ag that we're eyeing right now. Break above it. Biggest pull on the ag right now is 600, and we get 604, 605, where we traded last week a little bit. If we can't stay above it, then we've got some room back down to 591. Next biggest pull on the board is 590. Let's take a look at tomorrow and see what that looks like. So tomorrow, 616, let's go ahead and jump in and see where we lie there. So about the same. We're trading this area right here. What we don't want to see tomorrow is a ping pong between 600 and 597. Decent range, $3. We've seen some more volatility. We would probably like that more. A lot of positive gamma in the way on the way up. 602 will be important if we pass it. 606 is in the cards with those goalposts there. However, biggest pull is 595 for tomorrow. We've got a small stop down there at 587. So if we open below 597, then we have some room down. If we open above and stay in this range right here, we could either chop in these spots right here or get up to 602 before we see a push down. Break that. Easy enough look. Bullish flow, 606. So keep an eye on NetFlow. If we're really bearish tomorrow and we can't stay above 597, then we know we'll start to see these lower levels come into play. If we're really bullish, we've got time frame continuity and convergence and all those things pointing green, then we know we could break into these levels right here. Plain and simple. All right, that is all for now. Everybody have a good night. Stay safe out there and go get that Oprah money.